Creating templates within HIRevPro Elite is very easy. You're first going to go to your business profile and then the products and labor page. Once at the products and labor page, you'll find the drop-down menu of all of your various items that you have turned on by manufacturer. Whenever we're creating templates, the base is the basic, the mid is the better, and the high is going to be your best. So you want to create templates within your HIRevPro account that all of your sales team will use for the vast majority of their jobs. So within this case, we're going to select the Timberline Natural Shadow as our basic, the Timberline American Harvest as our better, and the Ultra HD as our best. We can go on to the Ridge products and set it with the basic, better, best. Again, with the 3 tab, the Timber Text on the better and best. You're able to offer the same product across all 3 of the basic, better, best. So in this case, if you offer 3-in-1s, they're going to be within the basic, better, best, all within the same. So once you have that piece figured out, then you can get your exhaust again within the basic, better, best model, and so on and so forth. Within all 3 of these, once you've created your templates, upon the creation of a new quote, it will pre-select these items, and you are actually still able to deviate from these should the opportunity arise that you did not create the actual template that you need for that particular customer. It's simple and easy to go ahead and deviate from the template. However, the template gives you a great starting point for hopefully 70 to 80% of all the roofs that you're going to come into contact with. All of the items will be pre-selected for you. And with these pre-selections, we found that it's possible to create a quote within 90 seconds accurately with your basic, better, best options ready with all of the proper measurements. You'll have an accurate quote out the door. So if you need anything else, please contact us at support@HIRevPro.com, or you can also reach us by phone, 817-916-0999. Thanks and have a great day.